Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fierce and Feisty Bullseye. Today I'm actually going to show you guys how to fix the loose barrel problem on the SR22, which is a Ruger. So this little guy is one of my most used guns for my students. I start all of my students off on a 22, and so this one is really perfect, honestly, for all of my ladies with their teeny tiny hands. But one of the things I noticed when it was time to clean this gun was that it is making this noise. You may or may not be able to hear it or see it, but the entire slide is rocking back and forth. And so my first thought was, oh no, what did I do? Later come to find out that it is a screw on the inside that just needs to be tightened. One of the things I'm going to show you guys first is how to actually tear the pistol down so that you can access that screw, but also see the movement of the barrel that I first noticed when I was like, wait, hold on, this shouldn't be making that noise. Okay, so first and foremost, this is a cleared pistol. We'll go ahead and show you guys it is completely clear. There's nothing in here, no magazine or anything like that, and we are good to go. So the first thing I'm actually going to do to break the Ruger SR22 down is I'm going to lock the slide back. Then the next step is you're going to flip this little lever right here. This lever releases kind of like a slide, or not a slide release, but a takedown lever on a normal pistol. And then I will go ahead and slide it forward and up like that. So it kind of just dismantles itself. And so now you've got two different pieces. And I apologize for the dirtiness of the gun. Like I said, this is my most used pistol for my students, used several times a week. And so unfortunately it is also the dirtiest gun because I'm shooting 22 ammo. So if you notice, this is moving quite a bit. That is common with the Ruger SR22. It is a very, very easy fix. You are looking for, hopefully I can show this, but a little screw, a hex head screw right there. It is the 9/64 hex. So all you need to do is tighten that, and that's it. That's what's happening, is that comes loose. And this is, I will say, our oldest gun that we have. This is the 9/64. It is the oldest gun that we have, and so it is the most, not only the oldest, but the most used. So I'm just tightening this up until I can't tighten it. It is a weird angle, so you can't probably get it completely perfect. You don't want to strip the head, but now it is no longer moving. So there you go. That is torn down. You actually do need to remove the slide so that you are not damaging the gun to pull this trigger back the way I did. And if you are familiar with 22s, you never want to dry fire a 22, so something to keep in mind. But that is how we fix a loose barrel on a Ruger SR22. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. I hope you have a fierce and feisty